Betenbender, a 50-ton 6-foot brake with a optional digital go-to gauge. It does have some presets in it though. You can preset I think the first 4, I want to say, in that little thing. So gauge is off or on, intrametric, and if you look at the function keys, we'll show you that. We got set up with 3 positions go-to, and then it's already been calibrated for the tooling that's in it. We'll do a test bend here, walk around it first. If you don't want to use the gauge, here's where you got your limit, adjustable limits with a little micro adjust. Here's your tonnage gauge. Here's the data tag, by the way. Hobbs meter showing power on, low usage. Running around 230. Your back gauge with your adjustable fingers. Main motor. And then tooling surface looks really good. All the fingers, everything on it. Cylinders, optional support arms, control. All right, let's run it through our paces, sir. Cylinders look good. So I think you're there already. You want to go to your next one? I think you want to go to your other position. There you go. So this is running, bringing it into 2. You got the preset was 2 inches on that one. It's coming in.
Button on the bottom.
Not very square. Should go on the other side with the 2-inch block, yeah, right up against the 2-inch. There you go. Now you're talking. All right, let's go to another position real quick. Call it good. So the back gauge is going all the way out now to the 3rd position setting, which is 7.5 inches.